Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, I'm going to show you how to make roasted spaghetti squash. This is a great nutrient-dense, gluten-free, low-carb dish alternative to pasta. So very easy to make and deliciously tasty. There are other fastest way to cook this spaghetti squash, but I prefer to roast it. The flavor from roasting is far superior. The edges get caramelized and soft. So guys, let's get started. First things first, cut the top and bottom of the squash using a long sharp knife. Stand the squash cut side down on the cutting board and cut in half from the bottom to the top. Take a spoon, scoop out the seeds as well as the stringy squash. Next, drizzle the inside of the squash with olive oil, then sprinkle with salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. I find that adding too much oil and too much salt at this stage makes the squash a bit watery, so a light drizzle and a light sprinkle will do. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the bell so we stay connected. If you are enjoying this video so far, give it a like, leave a comment. I would like to hear from you guys how you cook your spaghetti squash. Next, we are going to place the spaghetti squash cut side down on the parchment lined baking sheet and roast for 40 to 45 minutes or until lightly brown on the outside, fork tender but still a little bit firm. Once the spaghetti squash is roasted, remove it from the oven, allow it to cool enough to touch, then use a fork to scrape the strands. I like to work from the outside and work my way in, fluffing them as I do. Place on a plate, and today I'm gonna serve this with beef stew. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time guys, bye. Honey for my honey, bye my honey. Yummy.